You think you've seen bad driving? Buckle up, Buttercup. Road Rage Reels brings you the most insane, jaw-dropping vehicular madness ever captured. This isn't defensive driving. This is offensive to driving. Let's roll. So picture this. A car driver, in a bizarre turn of events, crashes through a house fence, straight through an above-ground pool. Now, here's the kicker. After the water runs away, the driver gets out of their car, looking completely bewildered at what just happened. Now, we're not sure if this is a case of a car being driven by a robot or a human driver who's just a bit too fast and loose with the accelerator. But either way, it's a crazy situation that we're sure you'll find entertaining. Wait, hang on. It's coming. Wait for it. This car speeds through a red light at a busy intersection. The red light camera flashes just before the vehicle crashes into oncoming traffic. What a way to ruin your night. Illegal U-turner meets instant karma. Watch Mr. Rules Don't Apply get his physics lesson at 40 miles per hour. Parking spot roulette. Green Jeep 1. Situational awareness 0. 2 vehicles enter, both leave, just sideways, and significantly more expensive. Highway ballet gone wrong. Watch Speed Racer's near-death performance while our DASHCAM driver experiences what we call involuntary bowel preparation. No flips, just pure terror.
Oh my God.
Highway gambler cuts in, physics calls his bluff. Blue utility learns the hard way that gravity doesn't negotiate with impatience. Exit stage right, into the ditch. Maroon Jeep discovers off-roading isn't optional. Watch this lunatic transform the shoulder into his personal Fury Road. Mountain goats are filing a copyright claim. Tesla on autopilot, driver on auto snooze.
Oh my God.
Turns out hands-on wheel doesn't count if you're counting sheep.
Oh.
Silicon Valley tech meets highway reality check.
What the fuck?
Dude, she's totally fucking out.
That's fucking crazy. Is she awake?
No, she's totally asleep.
That's cheesy.
Yeah, like if it'll fall, she'll wake up and just goes back to sleep.
SUV driver skips the driveway, creates instant convertible. Watch as gravity wins again, and our star performer debuts their "Just woke up, where am I?" Sidewalk shuffle. Physics, undefeated. Chevy does impromptu ice dancing on wet asphalt.
Shit.
Perfect 180-degree spin scores 10 out of 10 for terror, 0 for planning. Truck driver's heart rate, immeasurable. Watch BMW boy demonstrate why turn signals aren't the only thing he's missing. Weaving through traffic like it's a video game, our protagonist discovers that reality has no reset button. The motorway slalom ends with a spectacular 180-degree finale and one thoroughly crumpled German engineering masterpiece. Congratulations, Speed Demon. You've unlocked the totaled vehicle achievement. Insurance companies hate this one simple trick, driving like an absolute maniac. Dinner and a show. This silver pickup decided drive-thru was just a suggestion, creating the world's most aggressive dinner reservation. Watch as casual diners become involuntary stunt performers when 4,000 pounds of metal crashes the party. Watch this black SUV play real-life Frogger with oncoming traffic. Impatience level, legendary. Our overtaking genius forces innocent drivers to choose between a head-on collision or winter wonderland off-roading. The poor sedan chooses door number 2, performing an unscheduled ice-capades routine before finding its final resting place in nature's frigid embrace. Remember, kids, saving 30 seconds on your commute is totally worth endangering multiple lives and causing thousands in damage. The SUV driver's New Year's resolution? Definitely not better decision-making skills. Even the boys in blue aren't immune to physics. Watch this patrol car's emergency response turn into an emergency of its own when a civilian vehicle delivers the pit maneuver nobody asked for. The fence. 1. Police cruiser. 0. Our brave officers emerge looking like they've just discovered why seatbelts are mandatory. Somewhere, a criminal is getting an unexpected time extension on their getaway. Border Patrol agent decides laws are just suggestions. Watch as this government-issued van attempts an illegal left turn and gets a physics lesson instead. Front grille goes airborne while Karma flips the van faster than you can say above the law. Now Officer Rulebreaker has to explain why he couldn't read the same traffic signs he'd ticket you for ignoring. Turns out badges don't deflect oncoming traffic.
Where's the emergency?
I just had an accident at Rockaway Boulevard, Farmers Boulevard.
Rockaway Boulevard?
And Farmers Boulevard.
And Farmers. Okay, are you involved in the accident, sir?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Okay. Anyone trapped, pinned, or injured?
I don't think so.
Okay, how many vehicles involved in the car accident?
2 cars. There's, I think, a police car.
It's 2 cars? One of them is a police car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I call 911.
You didn't see the light?
What?
You didn't see the light?
Whatever.
What happened?
I don't know, I have an accident. He's still in the police.
No. What did he say to you?
I don't know. He said, didn't you see? I don't know, he's screaming at me. I don't know what.
That was a police officer?
He was some border patrol or something. I don't even know what he was.
Oh, okay.
But I want the regular uniform police car here, okay?
I understand. So there's...
Family van driver auditions for world's worst decision maker by left turning into destiny. Red light? What red light? Watch this hesitation dance end with a brutal T-bone finale. Minivan versus physics. The match nobody asked for but everyone saw coming. Spoiler alert, physics remains undefeated. Wall 1, driver's ego, 0. Watch as poor lane choices lead to concrete consequences. Our star performer argues with police like his spine isn't temporarily rearranged. 2 months of hospital food later, he's learned that highway walls don't negotiate, and road rage isn't covered by insurance.
Y'all need to get to talking. A car fucking swerved on fucking me. I'm stopping for goddamn here. Everybody, y'all come in the emergency lane, slide. I just hit a fucking bandit car for y'all.
School bus plays tag with white SUV. Spoiler, everyone loses. Watch as right-of-way becomes a foreign concept and metal meets metal in this unscheduled demolition derby. Kids learned a valuable physics lesson today, and 2 drivers learned why insurance premiums keep climbing. Black sedan redefines express checkout by crashing through storefront. Watch customers go from waiting in line to running for their lives as this driver mistakes the gas for the brake. Some folks got service all right, straight to the emergency room. Remember, stores have doors for a reason, and they typically open without your vehicle's assistance. White sports car pilot discovers gravity isn't just a suggestion. Watch speed racer attempt the right lane shortcut before achieving unexpected flight status. 1 brick building, 1 spectacular spin, and 0 working insurance policies later. Our DASHCAM commentator's play-by-play deserves its own Emmy.
That's what he got.
Tesla driver finds out autopilot doesn't include idiot pilot. Watch this white rocket ship attempt warp speed on the right shoulder before performing an unscheduled ballet of destruction. Curb. Struck. Sparks, flying. Tire, liberated. Bushes, demolished. Driver's dignity, obliterated. One small step for man, one giant insurance claim for mankind. Elon Musk definitely didn't program that feature. Impatient truck driver versus helicopter blades on a busy highway. Watch as Mr. My schedule is more important than emergency services creates a whole new emergency. Nothing says I'm in a hurry like turning a life-saving airlift into $1 million disaster. Black SUV plays real-life Frogger, fails spectacularly. Watch as this ninja driver emerges from the bushes thinking highway traffic will magically part like the Red Sea. Spoiler, physics doesn't care about your schedule. From stealth mode to crash test dummy in 2.5 seconds flat. White car driver sees police blockade and thinks, challenge accepted. Watch this genius ignore flashing lights, common sense, and the law. Officer responds with textbook pit maneuver, transforming entitlement into a roadside timeout. Turns out police don't appreciate when you treat their accident scene like a drive-thru. Airport refueling guy playing real-life pinball with multi-million-dollar aircraft. One wing clipped wasn't enough. He goes for the combo bonus with aircraft number 2. Someone's resume just went from fuel specialist to how to bankrupt an airline in 30 seconds. That's not skill. That's a career-ending highlight reel. That's a wrap on today's roadway insanity. Hit subscribe like these drivers hit everything else on the road. Road Rage Reels, making your worst driving look professional since 2025. Now get out of here before the next compilation features you.